Hi, we're in Singapore. This is Geylang, Law 21. We are at the laundromat here, and then now there's the train station. Then downtown is that way. So we're gonna do the laundry here. So they have different kilogram, 11, 16, and big one, 11, 16. So that's the price right there. Washer, $5, so very expensive. Wash $5, $7, and $10. So, and then dry is like $1. Every 5 minutes is $1. So very expensive. These are the dryer. We'll change the money. That's a $10 Singapore dollar. So we put in the clothes right now. The point. So we can select whatever, so we select the normal one right here. So it's automatic, 39 minutes. So it depends on you want to use a different kind of water level and heat like that. So hot, cold, whatever. But the regular is $5. And here is the. You don't need to put soap because they have automatic soap already. So there's 11 kilogram and then 16 kilogram. That's the prices. So 38 minutes. So we just come back, walking around, coming back in about 38 minutes. Besides the dryer. So we go walking around.